Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. The diagram shows triangle ABD. Angle CBD is 132 degrees and angle ADB is 58 degrees. Work out the value of x. Since I can see that it is vertically opposite to 58, I know that x is just 58 degrees. Give a reason for your answer. Well, it is vertically opposite. Moving on, work out the value of y. Since this is an isosceles triangle, we can see that this angle y is also here, angle y. And now that we have a straight line here, we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. 132 is taken, so we can simply find y to be 180 is equal to y plus 132. We can bring this to the other side and we have y is equal to 180 minus 132, and that gives us 74 degrees. 74 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.